Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover WhatsApp deleted voice messages or WhatsApp deleted voice messages recovery. Are you accidentally deleted your WhatsApp photos and videos, or delete your WhatsApp voice messages, or delete your WhatsApp documents? And in this you can easily recover or restore your all deleted WhatsApp messages, or recover or restore your deleted WhatsApp photos and videos, or recover your deleted WhatsApp voice messages, or recover your deleted WhatsApp documents. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow me all steps. So don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. And in this I can see my WhatsApp account, and in this I can see my all WhatsApp messages, WhatsApp photos, WhatsApp videos, WhatsApp voice messages and WhatsApp documents. You can see. And in this I can easily recover or restore all deleted WhatsApp messages, or recover or restore deleted WhatsApp photos, videos, documents, voice messages. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store. In this here, write and search and delete message recovery. You can see and delete recover messages. So open this app and delete recover messages. Please install this app. After install this app and then open it. And remember, in this you can easily recover or restore your all deleted WhatsApp messages, and recover your deleted WhatsApp photos and videos, and recover your deleted WhatsApp voice messages and documents. So let's see. In this I can see my deleted WhatsApp messages. After that, choose and open media. After that, in this I can see my deleted WhatsApp photos. After that, open videos. And in this time I can easily recover my deleted WhatsApp videos. After that, open voice, open document. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted WhatsApp voice messages, or recover your deleted WhatsApp photos, videos, voice messages, and recover your deleted WhatsApp document. After that, in this time I can show second way or another way. So minimize it and go to your file manager or my files. Open my files. Open internal storage. And in this here, search WhatsApp. After that, in this I can see my WhatsApp all photos, videos, messages, voice messages, documents in this here. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted WhatsApp voice messages, WhatsApp chats, and recover or restore your deleted WhatsApp photos and videos, or recover your deleted WhatsApp documents and voice messages, or recover your deleted WhatsApp call history. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.